Hi, I'm Brett Walker, the CEO and co-founder of Electron Inc.'s Writables, the makers of Circuit Scribe. You may remember us from our first Kickstarter campaign, where we brought you a non-toxic, conductive ink pen that brought your attention to the circuits all around us and taught you the basics of electronics.
Hi, I'm Valerie, and I'm the product designer behind our new line of DIY project kits. These kits help to translate what you've already learned into real-world pen-on-paper electronics. By combining our high-tech ink with accessible and inexpensive paper crafts, our community has created some pretty amazing things at home and in the classroom. We were inspired by the creativity of the community, and with our new kits, we aim to teach anyone how to construct paper electronics that can be used in daily life and take your imagination even higher. The first kit we worked on creating is the DIY drone.
Our paper drone is designed to be made and reconfigured by the user. The kit will come with a Circuit Scribe pen, drone components, instructions, and an app to fly your creation. Once comfortable flying your design, start making and replacing the original wings with materials you can draw on at home.
Change the size or change the shape, it's all up to you. Next, we worked on creating a capacitive touch calculator.
Use the included Circuit Scribe pen to draw your own capacitive touch buttons onto any piece of paper and connect them to the calculator module. We're already working on a new version that will be solar powered and have an innovative paperclip attachment that will allow you to move from notebook to notebook without a hitch.
Our third kit, Lightwings, was inspired by the floating seeds of a maple tree.
Use our Circuit Scribe pen to light up an LED, color your creation, and then toss it in the air and watch it spiral down in a helix of light.
Experiment with adding weight to the base of the seed and see how it affects the spinning motion. Our old kits emphasize education by teaching basic circuitry principles, while our new kits emphasize application by allowing you to apply those concepts to DIY projects using the classic Circuit Scribe conductive ink pen to draw the connections. Since our last Kickstarter, we've been working hard developing, prototyping, and testing new products to share with our backers. Now we need your help to take these into production.
We need Kickstarter because these kits are very different from our educational kits. And on the Circuit Scribe side, we have been completely customer funded. So this requires new tooling, new production runs, and all those same upfront costs we saw with the educational kits. Check out the available rewards, and thanks so much for your support.